That squawking sound is just their way of saying predators may be around. I don't think they consider Red, that's the other rooster that comes over all the time. I call him Red. I don't think they consider him a predator. See, now there's one of the parent birds. And this is an extension to my last video. It was my morning coffee hangout video. And my birds never showed up. And that's Big V in the background. That rooster that's loud. There's one of the babies up there on the fence, and the other one's the other parent, I think. There's usually two babies. I'm not sure where the other one is. But I'm hoping that they're going to go feed the baby. Now, let me come over this way. Maybe you can see better. Come on, y'all, hurry up. Oh, good grief. Okay, here we go. Oh, there goes the other parent. Now, why aren't you feeding that baby? I thought that's what you were going to do. Are y'all going to make liars out of me? That's the little baby flicking its wings. See? Isn't that sweet? That's just so cute. Those are my no-keying birds that I love so much. Well, they left. Oh, well, that's it, y'all. But I finally got them on video, so yay.